Learn English with fun. We'll play games and have fun with words. I dry my hands with a towel. I dry my hands with a towel. I clean the counter. I clean the counter. I break the eggs into the bowl. I break the eggs into the bowl. I get a bowl. I get a bowl. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I open the cupboard. I cut the onions. I cut the onions. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I put the pizza in the oven. I put the pizza in the oven. I wash the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes in the sink. I set the table. I set the table. I take out the milk. I take out the milk. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. I boil water for pasta. Now I add the pasta. I turn on the stove. See the flame? It's ready for cooking. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I wash the vegetables. 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 I pour juice into a glass. I pour juice into a glass. I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I heat water in the kettle. I heat water in the kettle. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. Learn English with fun. We'll play games and have fun with words. Goodbye.